In this video we'll be looking at Toolbar 3, or the side toolbar. We'll have a quick introduction and look at the layout. Firstly, it's divided into three main sections. The tab section in the top, our control sections in the middle, and then our extra tabs on the bottom with a tick box. Let's have a look at these individually. The top section generally has 5 pull tabs. If you have response, you'll have the 6th tab underneath it. We have videos looking at the individual tabs, so if you want to know a bit more about the individual tab, go find those videos. Here we have our page sorter tab, our gallery tab, our attachments tab, our properties tab, and our add-ons tab. Like I said before, if you have response, you'll have the response tab. The second section has 2 handles. The first one is a round handle that we can resize for our page sorter. Therefore, we can have more pages shown. The next button is this little left-right arrow, and that does exactly that. That moves this entire toolbar from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. And depending on the teaching preference, like Teacher Sally here you can see she's standing on the left-hand side of the board as we look at her, and there is the toolbar easily accessible to her. Should she move across to the other side of the board, she could press that button and that would bring the toolbar across to the other side and she could use it there. However, it could be set up like that and stay that way depending on how you teach. So if you prefer to teach from one side or the other, you can keep it there. Ideally, keeping it on this side is a little better because it brings us to the last part of Toolbar 3, the page changes, add and delete page, and the auto hide. If you were to have it this way and you were teaching, you could have these controls on either side of the board. You'll notice on the top left hand side, as we look at it now, there are those controls, and then they're on the bottom right hand side. So depending on which side you're teaching from, you'll have access to both of those. The last little tick box is called auto hide, and if I click on auto hide and then I click on my work area, you'll see that the information next to Toolbar 3 disappears. Should I want to access any one of those tabs, I can click on it and it'll open, and then I have access to those pages. As soon as I click on my work area again, it moves it away. Some teachers prefer to use this so that the students can't see what slide is coming. Should I want to deselect that, I'll need to open it up, go down to auto hide and deselect it again. So just to recap, it's broken into the 3 sections. Should you want to find out more information about the individual tabs, we have those videos found in the software section. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.